Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's playlist in Spotify. So, if you want to, for example, find your friend's playlist, you can just go to the search column and then type in for example, your friends' names or a certain keyword containing the playlist. For example, I'm going to find Sandra playlist. You can just scroll down. This is by Spotify, so it is not. So just scroll down. So this playlist option, you can just see this is the playlist that is provided or that is created by others. So if you want to listening to this playlist, just click on this and then you can just click on play, or you can also click on like here. For example, I want to search again the like this playlist. You can just scroll down and then you'll find this again playlist about the 90s. Okay, so just like that, that is how you can find someone's playlist on Spotify. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.